Hey guys, welcome to Tech Crew. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily extract any RAR file or any other types of files that you're trying to extract with a super simple application. So there are actually a few ways you can do this. You can use the official WinRAR application, or there's many other extracting tools that you can use, but one that I really like is 7-zip, as it's really simple and easy to use. There isn't a lot of extra stuff to it. It's fairly lightweight and it's one of my favorite options. So just go ahead and go to Google and search for 7-zip. 7-zip is honestly the most easiest tool to use, and it's a tool that I always find myself not having to uninstall after using it, as it really doesn't get in my way compared to stuff like WinRAR. And the best part is it's also open source, so you can also mod it and stuff, and there's a lot of changes you can make to it if you want. So here you can just see some of the features and stuff and the versions it works with. You can just go ahead and choose the version you want to install and download that version, and then it's just going to ask you to accept the installation, and then you can choose to where you want to install it. So I'm just going to choose the regular installation, and it's just already done. It's like, that's how lightweight it is. It's super quick and easy to install, and I'll show you guys with a little file that I created. So this is a 7-zip file. 7-zip also extracts many other file types like WinRAR or RAR and other types of files, but you just go over here and then you right click it, you go to 7-zip, and then you can choose extract files or extract here. And if there's a password or something, this can also deal with that. And then you just click that, and there's your file. That's the file that I have created as for example. So super easy, lightweight application, probably one of the best RAR 7-zip, many different formats for extracting. And you can also use this to compress 7-zip files into 7-zip, so that's also useful if you're interested in that. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked today's video and would like to see more videos, please do subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today's video.